All right, everybody, let's do a quick review of IWM here. On a day like this, we're seeing so many stocks, indices, et cetera, come down to technical support areas. And what have they meant over the last couple of weeks on the sell-off? And, it hasn't been a lot, but IWM, which is the Russell, you can see is right, literally down to the 200-day moving average. So do we believe that that's going to hold? Is it not going to? Well, I guess if there's really ever an entry that you want to look for, look at the 200-day, the blue line here in IWM, and we're right there. So if we want to get long, if we want to use that as a stopgap, or as a backstop, I should say, what do? Well, we either want to sell a put spread, or we need to buy some upside, but with volatility the way it is right now, and you can see it's up 20% today, we certainly don't want to buy implied volatility, right? So we would have to do something that's Vega neutral, like a broken wing fly, or we can try and sell a put spread. I personally like selling a put spread here, but it's got to be the right reward to risk. So what are we going to do here? Sell the 147, 146 put spread, sell that for 35 cents. I don't think that is any great shakes. So what I'm going to do is actually look at a broken wing call butterfly to the upside, and by doing a broken wing call butterfly, it'll skew our deltas, but will not get us long volatility or long Vega. So if we look going out to May, okay, look at May, and we look for, let's say, what the expected move would be. Well, what I want to do is really look at volatility out in May, probably down around 18 or so instead of at the 21 that it's trading at, and that'll give us a better representation of what the expected move is. And now we can see the expected move is about, whoops, hang on. There we go, there's 18. Expected move's about $7.50. Not a lot given that it's down 4 today, but that would put us up around 155, 156 or so. So what can we do? What can we look at here? So on a broken wing fly, we would buy 1, sell 2, and then buy 1. So what I'm looking at right here, this is a 150, 155, 156, so a $5 wide broken wing butterfly centering the middle around what the expected move is. But if that's trading at $1.60, okay, then our reward to risk is 340 over 160, barely 2 to 1. It's about 2.2 to 1. We need something that's 2.75 or even greater than that. So we need to look at potentially at something else here. We can look at the 152, 155, 151. And that's 75 cents. So that's not so bad, because now it's 75 cents. That gives us 2.25 divided by 75. Sorry for the scribble there. That gives us a 3 to 1. So that is not bad. So don't know that I'll be putting the signal out here today, guys, but again, IWM, the Russell, is trading right down at the 200, looking for some upside, but certainly do not want to buy volatility, do not want to buy Vega, and that would be, that's probably what we're going to be looking to do. So we'll talk soon. I'll be right back. Thanks, Terrell.